Hi there, I'm Amber, and these are the Clifton beveled and Clifton straight wall blocks. If you want a block that makes install efficient, these are your go-to blocks. Clifton's face dimension is 1 square foot, and they have a rear lip making each layer quick and perfectly set in place. They also have a hollow core, and when filled with aggregate, the aggregate interlocks between layers like Velcro, securing the layers. Any wall made from Clifton blocks can go higher than 5 layers, but reinforcement and engineering is required. But what is possibly the best part of this block is that we have a third block, the Clifton Corner. This gives you a perfect corner for both the Clifton straight and beveled. To learn more about each of these Clifton blocks, visit our website or pick up your Clifton blocks today at your local Menards store. Happy building!